everyone. We are here to present to you our project, PQ 047. Today, we're exploring what must really work in tourism and hospitality. Beyond this job is about people, behavior, and values that keep running today. We interview the amazing workers who live in the city. We ask them how they treat people and what values these matter to them. Start how they act, connect with others every single day.
What are your daily responsibilities at work?
Okay, my daily responsibility as operations supervisor, I am responsible of daily operations and guiding my teams to our daily operation sales, and I oversee their work also in the back of the house and at the front of the house.
How do you interact with guests and coworkers?
Okay, I'm not that much interacting with guests because I have my employees at the front of the house. So I interact with guests if they have concern or issues that my dining can't solve. I'm the one who fix the problems or concerns. And also for my employees, I'm the one who manages them and oversee their work or their daily performance at work.
Here's the first question. What motivates me is providing excellent service to our guests and seeing them leave satisfied. I also enjoy learning new skills.
What values are most important in your workplace?
The most important values in our workplace are respect, teamwork, honesty, responsibility, and excellent customer service.
Here's the last question. How do you handle challenges or difficult customers?
I stay calm, listen carefully to the customer's concern, and show empathy.
Ang nasa Philippines din naman, we usually give their guests or even ang guest man na naman siya natin orders kami partner ko kayo sakat sa table kami man nag-arakan orders sakat sa station kag mag-what out ka ng coffee and drink. What do you bake to for me, para makaharap maka-experience sila na namin na experience sa restaurant.
How do you interact with guests and co-workers?
Of course, I guess you need to positive attitude for me, and you need to tapos sa yung mga co-staff na dapat syempre with respect na dayon nila na mag-ask ka pa mga-questions sila what values are most important to you. Kailangan you have a good attitude na positive din na bawal negative. First, hindi kilala mag-attentive mga negative or may negative sila na experience. Tapos, hindi apologize ng sila. And empathy man also, we need to understand na muna ng tabo. And then reassurance lang na hindi na maliwanag nila ang double check na sa namin na tabo.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. From all the stories, we learned that tourism isn't just about places or trips. It's about how we treat one another.